Today, we're diving into the world of premium smartphones with a device that blends cutting-edge technology with a striking design, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. So, let's break down everything you need to know about this powerhouse. Starting with the design. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro boasts a stunning, modern design characterized by clean, geometric shapes, flat surfaces, and straight edges. The high-grade tempered glass and precision-machined aluminum accents provide durability while maintaining an ultra-premium feel. It's designed to be both minimalist and sophisticated, offering an eye-catching and balanced aesthetic. Let's talk about the display. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a 6.77-inch FHD flexible AMOLED display that delivers vibrant visuals with 1.07 billion colors. It boasts a peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring visibility even in direct sunlight. With an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate and a 1000 Hz touch sampling rate, this phone provides smooth scrolling and fluid interactions, whether you're gaming, browsing, or consuming media. The camera setup on the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is all about versatility and quality. It features 350MP cameras, a 50-megapixel OIS sensor with dual-pixel autofocus and a 24mm focal length, offering crisp and clear photos, a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 60x ultra zoom, a 50-megapixel camera with a 120 degrees field of view for wide-angle shots, perfect for landscapes or group photos. Additionally, the 50MP front camera supports high-quality selfies and 4K video recording, AI-powered stabilization, and enhanced night mode. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. This chipset delivers exceptional performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using AI-powered apps. The GPU sees an 11% improvement in graphics performance, making it perfect for gaming or high-performance tasks. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which delivers all-day battery life. The phone supports 50-watt fast charging, allowing you to charge from 0% to 50% in just 19 minutes and up to 100% in around 56 minutes. Let's have a look at the colors. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro comes in two stylish colors, gray and black. Both options feature a sleek, modern look with minimalistic elegance, perfect for those who want a phone that is both functional and fashionable. Talking about the storage, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is available in a 12GB RAM 256GB storage configuration. With this ample storage, you'll have enough space for apps, photos, videos, and more, without worrying about running out of room. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is built to last. It has passed over 68 quality control tests, including extreme temperature tests, abrasion tests, and even immersion in water. With an IP64 rating, it's resistant to dust and water splashes. Inside the box, you'll find Nothing Phone 3A Pro, Nothing cable, CC, 100 cm for charging and data transfer, pre-applied screen protector to keep your display safe, SIM tray ejector tool for easy SIM card installation, safety card with important information. So, to wrap it up, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is an impressive all-rounder. It combines a stunning design with flagship-level cameras, powerful performance, and an intuitive experience. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or just someone looking for a well-rounded phone, this one's definitely worth considering. If you like this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what feature you're most excited about with the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Catch you in the next one.